How to create a broadcast channel in Instagram 2025 updated guide. So let's get on to the video, guys. So first of all, there is a requirement to open an Instagram broadcast channel. So the requirements are broadcast channels are only available if you have a public business or Instagram creator account. And to create a broadcast channel, you need a minimum of 10,000 followers, and your profile must comply with Instagram's community expectations. So if you fulfill all these requirements, then you can open an Instagram broadcast channel. So first of all, you need to sign in to your Instagram account, or if you are using a mobile app, then you have to just open your app, and after opening the app, you have to just sign in or log into your Instagram business or creator account, and then click the pencil shaped icon at the top right corner of your screen, like tap the message icon, and after that you have to select create a broadcast channel, provide details like your channel's name, audience, and end date. You can also select whether you want to display it on your profile, and after that you have to click create and head to this button in the top right of your screen to confirm and share your new account. Making the broadcast channel will send a one-time invite to your followers. You can also share a link, post it in a story, or create a QR code and share it to your other social media handles. And there's a quick tip, like to connect with people outside Instagram, share the link to your broadcast channel in marketing materials. For example, include it in an email, digital poster, or post on other platforms. So that's it, guys. This is how you start a broadcast channel on Instagram. So see you on the next video.